Today I'm gonna reveal to you a secret how you can invest in big projects like Ethereum, Bitcoin, starting with $10, $20. If you are that person, stay tuned. Hi everyone, you're most welcome on FFE Crypto channel, where we discuss about big projects in digital currencies. We talk about the NFTs, we talk about the DeFi, and which you can invest into your money. First of all, I'm not a financial advisor. So now let us jump to the market right now. Yesterday we saw a pump in Bitcoin, all of the cryptocurrencies. Right now we're just sitting on 1.7 trillion worldwide. And then when we come down, Bitcoin is just sitting on 41,674 just in a week. Now we are closing a week. It is just 10.51%. And then we see Ethereum is just around, like, let's say 3,000, and in a week it is 16.87%. That's great. When we go down, we see these projects like ADA is just 1.13. We see Polkadot is raising, is going up. It's just $21.21. We see Avalanche, Doge, oh God, is going up. Shiba Inu is just it's trying to go up. Now we see it in a week is 29.85%. That's a great move. That's a great move. Let me hope the Shiba Army, you just rejoicing these gains. And then that's the market. I won't go down everywhere. So now let us just go here. Let's check about these charts of Bitcoins. I have two charts which we're gonna share about with you guys. Now we see this pump, which was yesterday. Now Bitcoin is just being resisted on this line. You can see it all the way here back days. It was a resistance here. So now if Bitcoin passes through this red line, we are expecting it to come in these levels, the levels of 43, 44,000 or 46,000. But if it drops down, we are expecting to come on 38, and then even down more here, 35, 34. That's where we expect. I expect. Then if I come on this chart too, you see here Bitcoin in the same line which I showed you in the previous chart. Here it's just sitting on 41, but if it doesn't go up, we are expecting to come back here on this line, 40s here, 41, 42, around there, and then even down here on 38, which I showed you there. And then if it goes up in these areas, it's gonna be around these areas of 41, 42, and then 43, and then 44. A quick tip to those who are trading Bitcoin: always make sure you tighten your stop losses, because here anything can happen. Last out to Steve is he teaches all these fib retracement. Guys, if you want the content, or if you want to learn how to draw the charts, just use Upwork. Let's start right now. What is dollar cost averaging? Dollar cost averaging is an investment strategy that aims to reduce the impact of volatility on large purchases like gold, silver, Bitcoins. This is where you find when the amount is too high, you cannot afford to invest into it. So now what you decide to do is is like come up with a strategy. When you get a check every week or the other week, you just deduct $10, $20. It depends on how you want. For example, now if you put in, let's say, $10, this is what you get. The total investment is $1,570. The total value is $7,878. The percentage is 401.80%. That's how you make these purchases. Now you cannot afford, maybe you cannot just go and withdraw this 1,570 once, but if you decide to do it at every week or the other week, let me give you another example of this $20. $20, if you take out this $20 every week, this is the amount, the total investment. It is $3,140. And then when you come to total value is $15,756. This is how you get into the game without no worries. Take a little bit small and then invest in these assets. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching me. Please subscribe, turn off the notification. Let us build the empire together. Peace out.